Okay, guys, and this is a 2025 Spin Monster Jam 124 scale. This is a bizarre one. I'm going to tell you why. Because it says only at Walmart. And I've seen this one at Target, but I heard it was a actual packaging that was Walmart exclusive. Here it goes, and here's the side of it. It says Dragon on the side. So now I know what it is. Back of it, Earthshaker, Gravedigger, Solar Fortune, which I want to get as well. I'm going to get those again. Oops. And the dragon on the side, really cool. That's why it's a... Yeah, this is Walmart exclusive packaging for some reason. Well, I guess because of the render they put of dragon on the side of it. Yeah. So when we go ahead and open it, I gotta pause it because it has the tying strap at the bottom. Guys, please hold. Alright guys, sorry. So here it is, guys, the dragon. Look at that beauty. I love the orange tires, yellow rims and beadlocks, green roll cage, yellow motor insert, dragon. Metal, of course. The horns. The front of it. I haven't bought a 124 scale in a long while. This is the first new one I've had in a long while. Pretty cool. Dragon, there it is. So yeah, this is the Walmart exclusive packaging. It says only at Walmart, which is, I just found out, like I told you guys. So without further ado, guys, that's all I got today. Hope you enjoyed my unboxings. More coming soon. Like, subscribe, comment, share if you can, guys. More unboxings coming soon. Peace out, and hope you all enjoyed.